Hey guys, as promised, today we are going to be talking about the Loopring token, its possible connection to GameStop, why it is seen as a new big catalyst, how it can change the game for the squeeze, and the probability of positive effect and investment opportunity. Whether you are a sole AMC investor or GameStop investor, you absolutely need to know what is going on with Loopring. AMC announced they are consulting a third-party company to see if it is viable for them to launch their very own crypto. Loopring stands as the similar possible catalyst for GameStop, albeit quite different in many aspects which we will explore in this video. This video is going to be a full breakdown, so that anyone that doesn't even know what Loopring is can have a full explanation. Before we start, let me quickly state that I am not a financial advisor, and that all content discussed in this channel is simply information gathered that I deem important for people to know, so that they can make informed decisions. All efforts are aimed to better understand the nature of the current market in anticipation of the greatest squeeze in financial history. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most important aspect of this. What is Loopring? Loopring is a software running on Ethereum that aims to incentivize a global network of users to operate a platform that enables the creation of new types of crypto asset exchanges. Being one of the emerging number of decentralized finance protocols, Loopring uses multiple cryptocurrencies to provide their platform. The notable part that you guys need to know going forward is that Loopring prides itself in being a platform that aims to allow exchanges to be built on top of it to sidestep the slow speeds and high costs associated with decentralized exchanges on Ethereum through the use of a newer type of cryptography called zero-knowledge rollups, or ZK rollups. With ZK rollups, Loopring claims its exchanges can offer faster settlement for traders. In other words, ZK rollups enables Loopring exchanges to complete key computations, an idea that will reduce the number of transactions that are submitted to a particular network, thus increasing speed and reducing costs for traders. Now that we have a proper understanding of what Loopring is and the benefit and service it aims to add to the crypto space, let's talk about the connection to GameStop. Loopring, which we explained offers the cutting-edge cryptography, known as ZK rollups, for decentralized finance applications, appears to have entered into a partnership with the one and the only GameStop. Rumors of this have been circulating the most hardcore forums for GameStop, with clear evidence derived from snippets of source code from Loopring's GitHub profile suggesting the possible integration with GameStop's much-hyped NFT platform, which they have already officially announced they are working on. Now, further evidence coming from a GameStop job posting makes the partnership even more likely. A vacancy at GameStop has opened for a position titled, and I quote, Product Owner Head of Web3 Gaming as remote in Seattle. Among the many named and listed responsibilities, two stand out. One of them is to research and stay abreast of all new NFT and crypto projects and global gaming brands signaling interest in the space. The second responsibility of interest is listed as understanding and to lead integrations with different blockchains and Ethereum Layer 2 environments. Did you get that? Literally the same apt description of how Loopring works has been posted in this GameStop job listing, insinuating that a partnership has been signed or made and now they are hiring people that can integrate the technology with their business. If this wasn't enough evidence that GameStop and Loopring have formed a partnership, then Loopring's third quarter report out to end any and all doubt. In the summary, Loopring quickly briefed through the NFT support. In it, they state the functionality of ZK rollups welcomes a new era of possible NFTs. A fast, cheap and securing trading environment that allows creators and developers to experiment in digital ownership even more so than ever before, and that this functionality is now the foundation of a new NFT marketplace that is being built by a partner and that is set to be launched sometime in the fourth quarter. There you have it, folks. Who is creating an NFT marketplace right now that is set to launch soon? I expect the announcement of this partnership to take place anytime this year. And I will give you one extra piece of evidence to fully cement this. Matt Feinstone, who was head of business at Loopring, recently left the company to work at GameStop as head of blockchain. Need I say anything more? So, the question is, what exactly could this partnership look like? What exactly is GameStop and Loopring looking to make with each other? Well, GameStop is looking to build a marketplace using blockchain technology. They are trying to get a foothold on digital media, and what better place than to offer an ecosystem that allows gamers to trade and buy from each other. GameStop, based on previous company statements, is looking to bring in more revenue, so this is the main goal of the partnership. What GameStop is doing, in shorter words, is they are trying to borrow the concept of decentralized finance and use it to make decentralized gaming, but one where they actually monetize and get a lot of revenue from services provided. The details of such marketplace are still unknown, since nothing has officially been announced, but the truth is GameStop is going to change how games are purchased big time. However, a partnership with Loopring offers GameStop a lot more than just a marketplace. Given this partnership, GameStop will finally have the ability to issue an NFT dividend. We know that short pressure on GameStop is insane, to levels that have probably never been seen or experienced before. This has to have some type of negative effect on the company's ability to evaluate their platforms. As such, it would also make sense for GameStop to want to rid themselves of the problem that Wall Street shorters have been imposing on it by issuing the NFT dividend. As you can see, GameStop has two very distinct benefits from the partnership with Loopring, which both will bring in money and longevity for the company. Obviously, an NFT dividend would essentially count the days shorters can keep up their game. I think it very likely that given the current state of the stock market, GameStop is looking to withdraw once and for all from it and fully decentralize themselves. It is a possibility that this is the endgame for GameStop, in which they finalize and start the mother of all squeezes. Decentralized finance, crypto and other blockchain technologies and innovations are clearly the future of exchanges in my opinion, and GameStop is simply pushing forward with no brakes. So lastly, the last question remaining in the matter is Loopring a good investment opportunity? Is buying the crypto a good thing to do? Personally, I think the answer is an astounding yes. However, I will note that you must not correlate Loopring crypto with GME stock. Do not think that Loopring will squeeze, because it won't. I think over time, even not accounting for growth, it will go up. As more people keep and start investing in GME and AMC, more people will also invest in Loopring, which will give it plenty of growth. New partnerships, new projects, new success will only ensure this investment is good. Since I like to be as transparent with you guys, I will still be buying GameStop as I have been for days now. Loopring, though a good and fair investment opportunity, will not squeeze, or at least won't go up like GameStop or AMC will. I will throw Loopring $5 here and $5 there, but it's not a serious investment opportunity for me since it is not GameStop, and it's important to keep this in mind as you go forward. Based on what we know, Loopring is indeed a huge game changer for meme stocks. This could literally be it. If GameStop announces they are quitting the old stock market and embracing NFT decentralized finance, it is over. At that point, get ready for the mother of all squeezes, because we are going to the moon. However, no such announcement has been made, and though this is a possibility, keep in mind that GameStop might not go through with it yet. They might want to let GME continue to grow over time and fully focus on the gaming marketplace first before taking care of shorters once and for all. It is likely that this will be the case, so don't start screaming and yelling the squeeze is imminent, because there is no reason to say it is. GameStop hasn't even officially said anything yet, so though the partnership rumor with Loopring is all but confirmed, it is still unconfirmed. I am bullish about this. I cannot wait to see the huge impact that this will bring GameStop. I think GameStop's capitalization is about to explode over time with this new revenue stream. There is only one place we can go, and that's upwards, so keep investing, keep buying the stock and some Loopring if you want. Remember, do your own research, do your own due diligence into this. I have spent the past couple of days reading posts from everywhere on the internet in regards to Loopring, and so far everything that I have come across has been incredibly bullish. Even more so was the fact that Loopring started running recently amid rumors of the GameStop partnership, but it was mostly kept away from the media and even cryptocurrency forums, giving me the impression that someone is trying to suppress any type of hype that might drive in tons of new investors. The reason for this, in my opinion of course, is that when people start looking into Loopring and why it's running, it is a statistical fact that a portion of people will also start investing in GameStop, which is something shorters do not need at the moment. They do not want people to see Loopring and have it gain traction and too much popularity, because that will further cause them problems suppressing the price, since it means higher volumes on long investments for the stock. Watching posts on crypto subreddits get removed in regards to Loopring gave me enough confidence to know that someone does not like what is happening. The amount of sketchy stuff happening is just too much, and I have seen it way too many times with GME and AMC. We all know that shorters love to manipulate crypto, since they own the vast majority of it, so it makes total sense why they are scared of Loopring and the connection and tie it has with GameStop. I cannot express how bullish I am right now. Like I said, all my money is still going to stocks because that's where the squeeze will be, not Loopring. As such, expect great things. This, combined with a possible AMC crypto coin in the future, only show that these two companies are embracing the future and are unstoppable. Continue buying this dip brought by shorters while you can, it will not last forever. I hope this video was informative. Your job is to let me know down in the comments if this video was helpful, and if you got a good understanding of this. Feedback is crucial here, so let me know your thoughts, or at the bare minimum if you can't do that, just hit the like so I know. If you want to support this channel, I have a Patreon link in the description as well as some one-time donation links for Cash App and PayPal. Thank you again for being a part of this channel. I will continue striving for better content. Hope you keep having a great day, have an amazing weekend and to the moon.